Welcome to this video by Wisdomitra about blood relations. In logical reasoning section of any competitive exam, blood relation related questions are a constant. And with this small video, I wanted to demonstrate how blood relations can be solved with ease and quickly. The idea to solve the blood relation questions is to draw. You have to follow some standard symbols, and the whole diagram of this particular question should be drawn. you know Let me take some examples of how I usually draw these questions, and then we can delve into how can you use the same ideas. So say for example, for spousal relationship, that is relationship between husband and wife. Say if the question says A is husband of B or A is wife of B, you are supposed to draw it with a horizontal thick line. Similarly, parent-child relationship is drawn or demonstrated by a vertical line. So if A is son of B or A is daughter of B, that can be demonstrated by a vertical line. Sibling relationship can be demonstrated by a dotted line. So if A is brother of B or A is sister of C, that can be demonstrated by a dotted line. And then usually what I do is, if any person is female and I know that, I just draw a cap on it, on that particular name, so that you understand whether it's daughter or son clearly. Right. So these are the symbols I use, but if you want to use slightly different ones, you can. But the idea over here is that you should remain constant throughout your preparation with these symbols, and practice them so that you reduce the time that is involved in solving these questions. And to be honest, blood relation related questions are very constant in logical reasoning. At least one, and in some cases, two questions are asked. So let us, try and solve one or two questions to understand how do we use this technique of drawing by for this particular type of question. So I'm just so if you see over here, the question says that a woman, she says, pointing to a man, his mother is daughter of my mother's only daughter. How's the man related to the woman? Let us draw this question and try and understand what does the woman mean. Okay, so the lady says his mother. So let us call that particular person man, right? His mother. So let us call that lady mother. His mother, and since it's a lady, I'm putting a cap on it. His mother is daughter. Again, this lady is again a daughter of someone. Daughter of, let us call this particular person X, daughter of my mother's only daughter. So my mother's only daughter is nothing but that woman herself, and since she is a female, I'm putting X on it. My mother's only daughter. So let us call her grandma, right? So this particular lady is speaking, and she is saying, "Ki this man's mother is daughter of my mother's only daughter, that is myself." So this man is nothing but a grandson of this particular woman. So the answer for this question is nothing but grandson. So if you draw this diagram, it kind of eases your challenge of understanding the question rather than trying to think through it. Let us use one more question to understand. Showing the man on the stage, let us call this man as A, right? Showing A on the stage, Lata says, he is brother of daughter of the wife of my husband. So of the daughter, let her call this daughter as B, right? Of the wife of my husband. So let us go through it. So showing A on the stage, Lata said he is brother. So that means a dotted line. Brother of daughter. So brother of B cap, because she's a lady, I'm putting a cap on her. Daughter of the wife of my husband. So he is brother of the daughter. Daughter is there, so I'm putting a parental relationship, that is vertical. Wife of my husband. So basically my husband Wife of my husband is nothing but myself. That means Lata is talking about her own husband. So, this particular person who's on stage, he is brother of Lata and her husband's daughter, which means that this particular boy or man is also Lata's son. So, how are they related? The man is son of Lata. So, it becomes really easy if you draw this. Let us take one more question. In fact, this question was asked in TSPSC Group 4, paper 2 in 2018. The question is, he is the son of the brother of mother of my father. So, what does this mean? He is the son of the brother. So, let me call this person as A, and since he is son, I'm putting A of the brother of mother of my father. So, A, let us go with A, right? He is the son of brother. Let me call this particular person brother, right? Dotted line of whom? Of mother of my father, right? So, mother of this particular lady's, let us call a lady's father, right? And mother of that particular person, brother, and then let us see if we have drawn it correctly. He is the son of the brother of the mother of my father. So, this lady's father is son of grandma, and that particular person is son of her grandma's brother. So, how is this particular person related to the lady? Obviously, this particular person is just one step below, on one hierarchy below, one generation below her grandma, and this lady is three generations below her grandma. That means this particular person is uncle of this lady. So, I'll go with this answer is B. So, with these three questions, I just wanted to demonstrate how is it becomes if you draw this particular question, and you have to use standard symbols, nothing fancy, and practice that a bit, and you'll get a hang of it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Looking forward to your queries and messages. Thank you.